In this video, we will discuss your educational plan assignment for your first year experience class. We will cover how you can save your educational plan as a PDF file from DegreeWorks, then how you can upload this file to Blackboard to complete your assignment, and finally how you can make an appointment with your Guided Pathways Advisor or GPA advisor to discuss this educational plan. Now let's talk about how you can create your educational plan. We're going to log into MyComNet, log in with your NetID and password. We will be creating your educational plan on DegreeWorks. So after you log into MyComNet, you will see a DegreeWorks channel on the lower left corner. Click on Norwalk Community College. We will create your educational plan from DegreeWorks, this worksheet that shows all the classes required for your declared major. As you can see here on the left, the green check marks are the classes you have already completed, the empty red circles are the classes you still need to take, and the blue half moons are the classes you are currently taking. You can also try to run a what if you would like to create your educational plan based on a distinct major. Click the print button on the top right and select the Save as PDF as an option. And make sure to save the file with an appropriate name like My Educational Plan. Now the next step will be to upload this file to Blackboard to complete your assignment. Go back to your assignment instructions and follow them accordingly. Now the last step is to make an appointment with your Guided Pathways advisor. To do that, we need to go to the My Path portal. To access it, go to Academics, Planning and Advising, and click on Login to My Path portal. Log in with your NetID and password. On the My Path portal, you can make advising appointments and tutoring appointments. But let's focus on how you can make an advising appointment with your Guided Pathway advisor. Click on Advising Appointments, scroll down, click on Request New Appointment, select the appointment type, in this case, Guided Pathways Advisor. Done, scroll all the way down and click on Check Availability. The system will generate all times and dates available for your assigned Guided Pathways Advisors. Notice that some appointments are virtual and some are on campus. So I'm going to select this time. Enter any notes if you feel appropriate and click Submit Request. We have successfully scheduled an appointment with our Guided Pathways Advisor, Christian Tovar Gonzalez. You will receive an email confirmation immediately. You will also receive an email reminder the day before of the appointment. To learn more about other resources available at NCC to help you stay on your path to success, click on these other videos. Thank you.